there's very often a remnant signal, which isn't read out, and that results in noise. And so what we did was we designed the chip inside the pixel to have extra capacitor. And what that does is it reads that reset noise. And so instead of reading the total amount of signal in each pixel for all of our cameras, what we do is we read the difference between the signal and the reset noise of the previous frame. So we reset it, read it, acquire signal, and read it again. And so because we acquire the data twice, or because we um, sample the signal twice, it's called double sampling. So on-chip correlated double sampling. And after we released this in our cameras designs, some other companies have tried to make it work in software. But what they do is they actually take an extra frame, and so it halves your frame rate, and you don't get the actual reset noise. You get the reset of the next frame. And so Direct Electron is the only company with on-chip correlated double sampling, which completely reduces your noise. And so all the results that I'm showing you are facilitated by that ultra low noise